The Korean city of Busan teamed up with UN Habitat and Oceanics to create the first sustainable floating city in the world. The new floating metropolis will consist of hexagonal platforms poised atop the water. A buoyant limestone coating will repair itself when exposed to an electric current generated by undersea minerals. The city will be self-sufficient, producing its own food and water. It will also be immune to all types of climate-related hazards, including droughts, wildfires, floods, and even Category 5 hurricanes. As such, the city will be a prime example of what future cities might look like. How would you like to live in a floating city? What advantages and disadvantages do you see? Please let us know in the comments below. For more fascinating science and technology news, click the thumbnail on your screen. If you're a fan and want to do something good for the planet, click the subscribe button.